Hi, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Festival seasons are just around the corner, and in few countries, festivals have also started with a bang. So today I'm going to show you how you're going to do a deep cleaning at home and also get that fabulous glow. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. For that, let's get into the kitchen. So first things first, what we're going to do is we are going to clean our skin, which means we're going to do something which is deep cleaning, which also means we're going to clean our pores, blackheads and whiteheads, and just get that gunk out of our skin first. So for that, I am going to use, sorry. So for that, I'm going to use my very own trusted gelatin. Yes, this is unflavored gelatin. Halal, of course. And the other ingredient that we need is fresh milk or Tetra Pak milk. That's completely fine. Now, what gelatin does is gelatin is kind of a glue that just sticks to your skin and removes all your dead skin plus your blackheads and whitehead. So you do 3 in 1. What I'm gonna do is just take 1 sachet of the gelatin, and you just need half. You don't need the whole pack if you're doing it for your face. So I'm just gonna cut a little, say around 1 teaspoon. I think this should be fine. I'm just adding a little bit of milk. Mix it well. And I'm going to microwave it for 30 seconds and I should be back. So I have microwaved the mixture and it will be hot and it should be in a very pasty form. Now all you need to do is wash your face, and you have to do this before you microwave it because the gelatin starts setting and you really don't want that to happen. With your fingers, I would not suggest use a brush because you would not know how hot it is. Use your fingers and start applying it on areas where you feel that you have a lot of blackheads, whiteheads or dead skin. Be very careful on your eyebrows because if this sticks, it becomes sorry, if this sticks, it becomes really very difficult to remove it. So I'm going to leave this for 20 minutes or till the gelatin has completely dried, and once it's dried, I will come back and show you how to remove it. Till then, have your coffee, have your tea. I'll be back. Welcome back. This has dried completely, and now I'm going to try and remove it on the opposite direction of my skin. Be very gentle, guys, because this hurts sometimes. When you apply a thick layer of gelatin, it is relatively easy to remove rather than when you have a very thin layer. You have no idea how much of gunk has come out, especially from the chin and the nose area. I don't even want to show. I'm just going to quickly rinse off my face and I will be back. My skin is feeling ekdam clean. Hey guys, sorry, but the previous clip didn't get captured. So here what I have done is I have washed the almonds and soaked them overnight and peeled them in the morning. And to that I'm adding milk and just blending it well in form of a paste. Next, what you need to do is you need to take a strainer and put the paste in the strainer and just strain it properly. We just need the milky liquid that we can get from this. So now let's start with the second part. After blending the almonds, I'm going to take, there's a lot of paste, so I'm just going to take close to 1 full spoon and put it in a bowl. Now to that, I'm going to add honey. What can go wrong with honey, almond and milk? We're going to add at least 1 teaspoon of honey in it. Mix it really well. To a clean face, I'm going to directly apply this with my fingers. Try and put it under your eyes as well, because it will hydrate the under eye as well. So I'm going to leave this for close to 15 minutes, kind of let it semi-dry, and I'll be back once it dries. So now that this has dried, I'm going to go and scrub it or massage my face in circular motion with this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Try and massage it on the areas where you normally get dry patches, because this will heal it much faster. Now that I have massaged my skin really well, I'm going to go and wash my face and come back with ice cubes. So clean my face, and can you see the brightness on the skin already? Just going to dab it. Next, I'm just going to take a muslin cloth and add ice to it and just dab my skin. This will help to minimize the pores. It will give you a very refreshing feeling. Decrease any puffiness on your face. Now that I have refreshed my skin, I'm going to add serum and my moisturizer to the skin. So for serum, again, I'm using the ordinary serum. I'm going to let this dry and then add my moisturizer. Now I'm going to add my moisturizer and just massage my face really well. So we come to the end of this video. Make sure whenever you do a skincare routine, try and do it in the night. If you have an event the next day, don't do it on the same day, because sometimes the skin may not react the same way that you're expecting. So do try this out, and I'm telling you guys, you will see a major difference. This mask can be used at least 3 times in the week to give you that fantastic glow. So make sure you use it and use it to your benefit. Thank you once again for watching my video, for supporting me. I love you all. Take care. Bye.